बापू देख तेरा हिंदुस्तान, याद रखे तेरी पहचान।
का तीसरा सद मरुस्थल से भी जल निकलेगा।
कहाँ हो सत्य के प्रत्यक्ष रूप, कहाँ हो?
दुबला पतला छोटा मोहन पढ़ लिख कर वीर जवान बना।
लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती।
खड़ा हिमालय, ये कविता प्रेम
बढ़ता दुगना उत्साह इसी हैरानी में।
मोरों कौन बना है, घी बीतता है बोतल में पानी।
अब पावन धरती है जहाँ जन्मे तुलसी और वाल्मीकि, कहूँ क्या
रक्षक के कोटि हाथ जिस पर निज मस्तक झुका दिया, झुक गए उसी पर कोटि मार। जन्मदिवस बापू का आया जिसने खुशियाँ दी जीवन को।
नहीं पढ़ा करते पर क्यों ये कभी हमारे साथ।
घुटनों से रेंगते रेंगते तो पैरों पर खड़ा हुआ। Going on in India was quite unfair to the right, so that the path of freedom may be traced by him afterwards. Bhagat Singh, great socialist revolutionary.
About the outcome of struggle, because I
can kill me but cannot kill my ideas. This proud after death of the king.
Nehru served as Prime Minister for 18 years, first as an interim Prime Minister.
Next time, there cannot be a moral justification for this. A nation which might justify this is sinful in the sight of God. There cannot be a moral justification for this. A nation which might justify what is sinful in the sight of God. Some bravely oppose this demonic side of cooperation, while some who are never able to declare what is harmful to them.
Britishers from India, it was all running in blood in support of the
was a terror for British police. He was on their hit list. They wanted him dead or alive.
After a few months,
Though this time John saved, but my revenge is not over yet.
Think of something big. Think even a personal sense of you're a scientist. Think of being Einstein.
Greetings to all my dear Manorites. As we celebrate the Gandhi Jayanti today, I wish all of you a happy Gandhi Jayanti. Dear Manorites, it gives me great joy to share with you the great personality of Mahatma Gandhiji, the father of our nation. We may wonder what made Mahatma Gandhi the father of our nation. If we look back into his life, we see him as a professional, a barrister, who was successful in his career, who started his life in South Africa, and he has seen the life and difficulties of people in South Africa under the rule of British, who discriminated, ill-treated, and denied freedom of natives there. He too was the victim of ill treatment of the British. Soon he realized that unless the freedom and equality and the right to live with dignity is not respected, there is no point in having a professional life in that country. He returned to his country and plunged himself into the freedom struggle. His charisma made everyone accept him as a leader, and he was able to unify all the freedom fighters of our country, and there was a great leader emerged in Gandhiji. Gandhiji had the weapons of non-violence, truthfulness, honesty, and humanity. He tirelessly fought against the British using his non-violence method. He was just like a candle which burns and spreads light to others and come to a non-existence. When we look at the life of Gandhiji, what we get inspired is the life and character of the person. He believed in the universal family, Vasudhaiva Kudumbakam, and he believed the dignity of human life is more important than any other positions, powers. He believed that equality, fraternity, freedom of every human being is important, irrespective of his caste, creed, religious beliefs. He was a leader who inspired with his love for humanity, his great character. The means he used is non-violence, which surprised everybody. Even his own enemies could not resist his method of fighting. He loved everybody. His enemies became his friends, and he conquered everyone with love. As we celebrate today the birthday of Mahatma Gandhiji, the father of nation, let us all draw great inspiration from the life of Gandhiji. When we are able to practice those great virtues and values in our life, there will be hundreds and thousands and millions of great leaders coming up from our country who will be able to change the destiny of the world, who will be able to guide the nations, guide the people, guide the society, guide the family in the right way. I also put on record my sincere appreciation to all my Mannerites who participated in different competitions on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti. Also all the teachers who have assisted our Mannerites. Once again on this special occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, I wish everyone happiness, joy and peace. Jai Hind.